I did it. I'm not going to do it.
Thank you very much, Henry, for that very inspiring and full of love message. As we near the end of our program, let's hear some final words from Sheila Balas-Plata, our very Vice President. Let's give her a round of applause, please. Ang sarap sa ayaw, no? And before that, guys, we'll have a tribute to our teachers.
Ay, boy, unsay shout out mo dari boy? Tara ba yo?
Ay, mariaga. Matambot ko yung ito pinali. Mas dinagay ka mga restaurant. Wala lagi sila. Ay,